thousands of foreign birds come visiting to Bengaluru's lakes. But this year, since the Garden City has turned into a garbage city, the population of migrating birds has drastically gone down. Here's the sorry picture.
Come winter, migratory birds from different parts of the globe descend on the lakes and green pockets of Bengaluru. The gay tweeting and the colorful sight of birds of all sizes and shapes welcome residents out of their homes. Man's winged friends from Central Asia, Tibet, Africa, Europe and China congregate in this air-conditioned city to nest and breed young ones. Different species of ducks such as nardan, chevallier, common pochard, Gargani and the bar-headed goose from China migrate here. The native birds of Kerala such as the Jogu Selva, Kudde Gaurava and Jataka birds camp in Bengaluru's lakes for the 4 winter months. But now their populations are dwindling.
Almost half of the birds that we used to get 10 years ago are not visible today. Birds like Eurasian pigeon, common pochard, chevaliers are less in number, harriers are also less in number. The main reasons for these changes are the loss of habitat. Our lake development has been oriented towards humans. They don't really consider bird-friendly developmental actions.
These birds used to nest in the lakes in Alsur, Rachinahalli, Hebbal, Madiwala and Lalbagh. There were more than 100 species of them migrating in the city in winter. They were attracted by the clean waters, floating plankton and the fish in the lakes they feed on. But now the situation has changed. The banks of the rivers are filled with concrete debris, plastic and other waste dumped by the surrounding settlements. The waters are polluted with the sewage inlets coming from the nearby apartment complexes. Consequently, over 40 species of birds have not been spotted this season.
But more essentially by the activities of the government itself, a lopsided policy about not looking into ecological aspects, including in town planning, for example. Then alteration of existing habitats or neglect of existing habitats like lakes, for example. So all these things contribute to the decline.
Added to this is the disheartening fact that the birds from Africa and China are being hunted down by poachers for meat. On the pretext of filming the nesting habits of the blue-throated bulbul from Africa and the white-billed gaurava from China, the nests of the birds are being unnecessarily disturbed. It is time that BBMP pays some attention to this problem, or else Bengaluru will soon lose its ecological beauty. Ganesh Hegde for News 9, Bengaluru.
The alleged misdeed of Beraya